Hey guys, it's Samantha, and today we're doing another blind bag mystery. And my brother's here with his balloon. Alright, so today we got three new blind bags. We got the ugly pet shops, hope this won't melt, the chocolate toy treasure, and where'd it go? The fashion tags. So, mix it up. So, let's get started. Who's just shaking? Okay, let's go. Wanna go first or me? Close your eyes and please don't crush the chocolate. Oh, it's cool. So he got the Ugly's Pet Shop. Okay, and next blind bag. Put that under, so we'll do that first. Go. Ow, my face! Oh, saliva!
Cherry those.
Oh, this is saliva!
That was unexpected.
Oh, that's gross.
Retry.
That's gross. Go! Look, got two new things. Probably. So you got the chocolate plus toy treasure. So my turn.
Ow, my face again. Shoot.
Oh, another one. Puppy in my pocket.
Get a different one. Get a different one. Get a second. Get a second. Get a second. Lucky 7. 666. Illuminati. Foxy. I don't know. People watch it.
I don't know what to pick. Oh, a Shopkins season 3.
Now we all get like
4 different things. Oh, I don't want to trade you one.
No.
Okay, so let's get
You're not
started.
doing it.
Let me go first. Oh, that one is hard.
So let's do yours while I'm doing mine.
Okay, sure. So I'm going to start with my puppy in my pocket. So there is, oh yeah, I keep thinking this is my kitty in my pocket. So it comes with the checklist inside. And this is series 1. So, there's the checklist.
You cannot beat me. I'm always awesome in the world.
You can get the ultra rares.
Awesome. Cause I got my skin. Ready? Look at my can of dog soup. First, checklist.
Oh yeah, I forgot about mine. So we got, oh, this is a new one. This is a really cute little dog. Very cool.
Here's our
Let me see.
grossest,
What's her?
our
name?
stinkiest, our gross homes, and limited edition. Here's the slimiest, the smelliest, and the hairiest. Alright. First one we have.
Here.
Oh,
we got Boppy. Right here. Right there. Very cool. Again.
I don't see it. We got Turtle. I'm not touching him. No. No way. And the second one is Okay, would you like to introduce this one? I will search it up. How does it look like? Okay, it's growing up.
These, no wonder they're called ugly pet shops. But it's actually kind of cute.
We got the hairiest. Oh, wait, no, never mind. That was a different one. Oops. Mistake. Just show her. Just show them. Show them while I try to find it because I can't find it. What the heck?
I don't know how to explain. So this is the doggy with a barf.
Well, you know, let me
green
look.
barf and a crown. Yeah, cool.
I don't see it. How does it look like?
Let me see.
Oh yeah, it's a no, it's not. Let me see it. Around here. Okay. See, you can't see it, right?
No, I don't see it.
Oh, it's the nutty cookie.
Oh, it looks very like
It looks
I can't
weird.
believe they make it like this. Like they made it like their front face. So it's naughty
Corgi.
corgi.
And now I have to open this before this melts. And it's a good thing this thing got no tape. It's a good thing.
Wait,
got
actually,
no tape.
I'll be right back.
I got my chocolate egg. Look at my egg. My egg is amazing. Okay, here is start.
So I'm back with the tissue.
And here's Bob.
Tissue.
All right. We're not going to eat the egg. We're just going to look at the toys inside. The toys inside. Toys inside. Nobody cares about the food, it's just the toys.
Wow, very shiny.
Yeah.
Just cracked in half.
Kung
You
Fu.
guys can't even see what we're doing.
Yeah. I lower down.
So it comes with the yellow and blue egg. So
You got a karate chop.
my face is turning red. I'm gonna try a piece.
Ta-da!
It's actually good.
Are you serious?
What's that?
I'm building it.
Sure. So I'll show you the checklist.
Besides, we got Kevin. We have Kevin.
There's cards, there's magnets, there's figures, there's puzzles.
And then we got figures.
So that's really cool.
We got Kevin in doing the figures.
You got a figure?
I think so. Like you gotta stick some stuff.
Or is that a puzzle?
It's a puzzle figure. Oh no, we got Ben.
No?
Got Ben.
Oh yeah. Aww. It's bad.
Curse you!
Oh yeah, that's your last blind bag. I totally forgot about it. So actually, I like how they made the blue and yellow together. Well, actually, it tells you like chalk ghost treasure. I'm not sure if you can see it. Eat another piece of chocolate. Okay, building with it. Okay, so while he's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and do the Shopkins Season 3. I don't really see Season 3 in stores anymore.
Am I doing it wrong? Oh yeah, I'm doing it wrong. Leg 1, leg 2.
I just dropped the blind bag. Maybe we should get to check this out.
We got
I'm
Kevin.
really good with Shopkins by now. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look, there's a dog and there's a dog.
We put these in the dog family.
So, let's see what
Hey, you're not a dog. Go back to your own house.
So our first Shopkin is... Oh, I think this is a rare... Oh, my ultra rare. Like, check.
Can I check it?
Sure, but...
It's a hat. It's a hat. It's a hat.
Brimmy.
It Oh,
sorry,
yeah,
but-
it's Brimmy and...
Brittany, it's an ultra rare. I don't think we have this yet. Cool.
Wait, and guess what? It's a chocolate frosted one.
So,
It's a chocolate frosted head.
I'm gonna feel this. Something round. What in the world is this?
Round, round, round. Candy cookie.
Oh! I know what it's in. It's a cupcake.
Cupcake.
I don't know, just by feeling it. Yes, it's cupcake chic.
Dang it. I
Yeah.
can't find it.
At first I was saying, what kind of shopkin is round? So,
Cookie.
Cookie's not in the series.
Yes.
That's not.
I mean candy cookie. Oops.
Okay, candy cookie. So, I'll show you a closer look at those toys in a second.
Gimme.
Okay, so we're back, and you want to tell them what is the shopkin? I got
It's
it wrong.
Patty cake.
Patty cake. So these are the awesome toys you got. What was your favorite?
My favorite is
His favorite was the the toy treasure.
I don't know why I got germs
Oh,
all over my face.
so this is his favorite, and my favorite was the puppy. You're like cute. So please comment down below what was your favorite. So yeah. I think that's it for today. Please leave this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And we will see you next time. Bye!